Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's know how to make passport size photo in MS Word. So further delay, let's start this video. First, click Window plus R. Then type WinWord. Then click OK. Here is the MS Word. Go to a new project. And now we are going to change the paper size. Go to Layout. Then go to Size. And go to More Paper Size. Click there. And keep wide as 6 and height as 4. Then click OK. It is the best size for printing a photo. You can print 8 photos in this paper. In next step, go to Insert, click Pictures, and find your photo that you are going to create a passport size image. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. Here is my photo. Click Insert. Crop the image. Adjust the photo. And click Enter. You can't move the photo, so we need to go to the wrap text and in front of text. Here you can move the photo from everywhere. So here's the size of the photo. Keep height as 1.6 and wide as 1.29. Then enter. And now we have got the perfect size to make a passport size photo. So we are half done. In next step, let's insert border to this photo. Click picture border and you can see there are many colors. Choose black. Choose border width. You can make it thick or thin. I will make little thin. Click enter. And now press Ctrl plus mouse and drag the photo to left. Again, drag the mouse. Don't forget that you should press the control button and just move the mouse to the left. After copying, we will learn how to bring down all the 4 photos together. Press Ctrl and click the mouse one by one and drag the mouse downward. At the end, we are finally done. You can see the photo. The quality is good, almost good. So I will teach you how to print the photo. Here are some options. We are not going to change anything. What copy do you want to print? Just type the number. Just type 1. Just keep landscape because we set the paper for landscape option. we don't have printing device, so we are not going to print, but you can print by setting those settings. Here is the image. If you want to print later, learn to save the image. I am going to save the image. Name your passport photo so you can find later. You can save as PDF. Save in Word document. And let's see if my file is saved or not. In my folder, my file is saved. I will refresh it and see it once that my file is saved or not. My file is saved. So friends, if my video is helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.